Hello, my name is William Rasmussen, and I will be helping you with your trip to Mexico. You will be traveling to Guadalajara in order to build a large factory facility. You will need to know how to talk to the executives, talk to the workers, and how to make a good impression on the people there. Your stay will last 3 months, and so you will need to know a little bit about the culture. Some important foods there are pozole, carne en su jugo, and tortas ahogadas. The focus is going to be on family and community. During your first meeting with the executives, you are going to want to meet early as that is customary. You'll want to dress nice as you do in America. For men, a suit and tie, and for women, a knee-length skirt or dress. And I'd like to note that personal connection is key. You will want to focus on personal over business for this first meeting, as that will help build the personal connection. You will also want to pay for the first meal, as this will also build the personal connection between us and the company. Once construction is started, you will need to keep in contact with the construction workers at the site. Remember to be cordial, to get your point across succinctly and clearly, and to remember that they know their job. Again, you'll want to focus on personal connection over business, as this will create a more lasting connection with the people there. I would like to add in some common Spanish phrases that you can use with the people of Guadalajara. Buenos días means hello, or more specifically, good day. ¿Cómo estás is how are you. Adiós is goodbye. No te preocupes is don't worry about it. Muchas gracias is thank you. De nada is you're welcome. Buen trabajo, good work. And por favor, please. In conclusion, remember to be kind, work hard, be fair, and have fun on your trip there. And remember, you're trying to build a personal connection as much as a business connection. Que te vaya bien. Good luck.